Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my delivery from Worthy Flavors, and this is the all organic box. There's only one size. It is $39.99. I have no idea what's in here because I don't get to pick anything or customize anything, and it's just organic produce. Let's get this box open and find out what's inside. I don't want to look at it. This tells me what's in here and I don't want to look. I like to be surprised. I actually really enjoy that about Worthy Flavors, that I get to be surprised. It's nicely organized. If you can see, we've got peppers, the water bottles which start as frozen and then defrost in transit on their way to New Jersey from Florida, and then another compartment. And we've got a recipe for peanutty carrot noodles. That actually sounds really interesting. Many of you guys have asked me what I do with all these vegetables. Do I eat them all? What do I do with everything I get from Worthy Flavors, Misfits Market, Imperfect Foods? And I've got news for you. I have a brand new free recipe book. You can get it on my website, aimeericca.com/freebies. And there's lots of other stuff on that page too. You don't have to just pick one. You can get as many of those as you like as my gift to you. And they're reminding me that I can refer you. So there's a link in the description down below where you can try Worthy Flavors and get 20% off your first order. So just go down to the description and click that link. I've also been asked a lot, why do I care so much about organic? The other day, Monday, I just put a video up about that, all about why I choose organic. And if you missed that, there's a link in the description down below too. So we've got some green peppers. And these start with the number 9, so we know that they're organic. This one has a little stripe of orange. These look good. They're not rattling, they're firm. They smell really fresh. And we've got some organic mint. This doesn't look as good as the mint we've gotten from them in the past, but it smells really good. And I've been putting this, the last time we got this, I put this in some of my water with some lime, and I did make a margarita, a strawberry mint margarita that was really good. And we've got some chives. I love chives. You know, I actually like chives better than I like scallions. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Do you prefer chives or scallions? Or maybe you like both. And we've got some organic Bunny Love carrots. This is a nice, large bag of carrots. And then here we've got our water bottles. And they talk about this on this sheet. They do this because you can recycle these, and they feel that this is sustainable. I mean, I can't really argue with them. I think it's better than an ice pack. What do you guys think? Would you prefer water bottles or ice packs? Leave me a comment. Let me know. I've got some red potatoes. This is great because I just used my red potatoes to make a potato egg salad that we had the other night. These are like perfect little potatoes too. More of the potatoes. Wow, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 7 of these little nice round potatoes. Those look really good. We've got some apples. These are our Rainer Organic Red Delicious apples. And, you know, we're not big on apples. We actually still have tons of apples that I've been keeping in the fridge. And now I've just got to add more apples to that. So that is a drawback with this, is that you don't get to pick what you get. And sometimes you get really nice surprises. Other times you get things that you can take or leave. 4 of these apples. Oh, this one's a little bruised. And then some beautiful radishes. Wow, these are really nice. They're large too. I don't know if you can see how large they are, but these are some large radishes. Really, really nice. Oh, one fell out. And then we've got the CMB Farms green beans, and we really love these green beans when they come from Worthy Flavors. I've said this before, and I will say it again. CMB Farms is one of the farms that founded Worthy Flavors. So when we get these from Worthy Flavors, they're super fresh. Sometimes we get these same green beans from Misfits Market or Imperfect Foods. And when we do, they don't last anywhere near as long. So it does make a huge difference to get things from the source. And that's the case with these. We got them right from the source. So before I show you what my sink looks like, I do want to talk to you a little bit about a project that I'm working on. I'm super excited about it, and I did tell you about the cookbook that's already available, and it's completely free. Again, just go to aimeericca.com/freebies and get your free copy right there. But I also have a 30-day organic plant-based eating program that I'm working on, and it's coming out real soon. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss a video, because you're gonna wanna tune in to find out when it's available. And the reason I'm doing this is because, like I talked about on my video the other day, that adding organic fruits and vegetables is a great way to hit the reset button on your metabolism and your gut health. Even if you're not going fully plant-based, just adding more of those organic fruits and vegetables is a huge start. But so many people want to do this and get it wrong. I want to help you out. So this is going to be a simple, easy to follow program on how to do plant-based, or just more plants, the right way, without using fake meats and processed carbs and prepared foods that are marketed as plant-based. It's going to be simple, easy to follow, step by step, and we'll teach you how to do it safely in a way that is healthy and delicious. So if you want to take a plant-based diet for a test drive, really make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Also, get that cookbook on my website at aimeericca.com/freebies. Okay, so now let me show you what I've got here. So we've got organic chives, organic mint, organic red potatoes, the organic carrots are right over there, the organic red apples, the organic green beans, the organic bell pepper, and the organic radish. I mean, I feel like this is okay. What do you guys think? For $39.99, do you think that this is a good deal? And do you want to try Worthy Flavors? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you do want to try them, click the link in the description so that you can get 20% off your first order. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. This is Aimee. I'll see you real soon. Bye.